Welcome guys. This is the Ambrane Power Bank which I just brought. It have 12,500 mAh capacity, which is quite good. So we can see there are a lot of features labeled in it, and I will show you one by one at a glance. You can see a lot of specifications. Okay, and let me start from the back. I'll read it for you. The protection from current insertion, input or voltage protection, protection from overcharge and over discharge, short circuit protection, temperature resistance, reset mechanism, output or voltage protection, and protection from output or current. The price and capacity is written on the bottom. Okay, hope you can see it. And the made in India label. Oh, it's really cool. So the product is Indian made. Let me show you the specifications. Quality cells, premium quality, and so on. There are a lot. And they are claiming that the product is of durable body, which is really great. So let me unbox. Okay, it's finished, and let me take it out. The power bank. It's blue, right? And let me take the other things in it which came around. Okay, I'm guessing it is Ambrane card. Okay, so this is the cable provided by them, and you can see it's just a normal charging cable with a short length. Okay, there's something other. Okay, let me show you the user guide and warranty card which came along with it. It's a lot of cards. Okay, now the power bank. So I'm checking the power bank for you. Opening it. Oh wow. I selected the sky blue color because I felt it will feel funky in my hands. And it really looks awesome. So here's the charging port, power button. I can see the input and output voltage mentioned here. I will show you. Hope you can see it. Okay, just shiny. This is the output port. There are two output ports, so you can charge two mobile phones simultaneously. Allow this. Okay, you can see it there. And let me power this on. Woo! It is back with full charge. So there is a LED indicator for measuring the charge. So look at it. It's really beautiful. Okay. After using, I will update with the quality of the power bank in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel 3 Musketeers and stay tuned.